everyone! Guess what's happening today at our house? Do you know what's happening today at our house? Who's here?
The furnace guys, and I made a Star Trek jet fighter.
Aha! Yes, William made it's a Star Trek jet fighter.
Yeah.
Ah, cool! Out of an expired Costco card and one of those big paper clips. So, you know, that's a craft you guys can do at home. Yeah, so we're getting a new furnace today. The furnace people have been here since about 9 o'clock, and they've already switched our air conditioner for a new air conditioner, and they're downstairs in my laundry room putting in the new furnace, but that means I can't really do laundry. And I could leave the house, I guess, but you know, it's weird to leave the house when there's like a group of workmen in your house. Yeah. Are you dancing for the camera? So we've been inside the house, and it's a beautiful day outside. So we've been inside, and so far it feels pretty climate controlled in here. So I'm thinking even though the air conditioner and furnace have never been turned on, that we're getting a really good motor.
New bike lock.
That's true. We got a new bike lock. So, you know, thieves, this is your last chance. The bike is obviously not locked up yet, but soon it will be, and you will not be able to penetrate this lock. You'll never guess my password, and you'll never be able to penetrate this. I'm pretty sure this is you won't be able to cut this. This is strong stuff. It's red. It's the strongest color. Yeah. So. Oh, there's a guy over at our thermostat.
So he's over there.
I know he's setting something.
And he's doing something.
I'll get the report. You guys almost done?
Yep.